Hello, this is Jerome Cerilia, and today I'm going to give you a quick review, I'm going just to share you my postcard. Basically, these are religious postcards. So come, let's get closer, let's have fun. This is the Annunciation of Mary with Catholic priest. There you go. I don't know why there's a Catholic priest in here. Next to it is the Annunciation still. I'm so nahihirapan. Basically, these are museum postcard. Yun, ito isa sa mga gusto ko talaga. Si Angel Gabriel. Right. I try to shy away from religious postcard, but then again, the faces are really beautiful and I really like them. Right. This one is the best. The birth of Jesus Christ. There you go. There's an extra sheet. When Jesus Christ is a boy with Virgin Mary. Just going to review real quick. There you go. Look at the face. Right, nice. The Holy Family and with John the Baptist. Yeah, this is John the Baptist grown up, Virgin Mary, and Jesus Christ. This is Elizabeth. This one is a different painting though, but still about Jesus Christ. This is in Gethsemane. There you go. This is Peter when he denounced Jesus Christ. There you go, another Peter. When I was young, I thought yung ano ni Saint Peter is color white, but here is dark rooster though. This is yung interpretation nila na Last Supper, diba? And so cute here, my dog. By the way, these are for swap, diba? Iba-ibang klaseng painting. Itong na to parang I don't know. This one is different then. Bakit may clock, may Jesus Christ, and then this one there's the moon. This one mas to. It's the how I view it. Artists are artists. This is Michelangelo, I think. Diba nice? Let's see. Basilica da Maria. So, this is in Rome, basta. See, it's Michelangelo. Why ko gusto yung swap this one? Because hindi ako masyadong sa mga religious postcard diba? This one is Jesus Christ with Virgin Mary. Mga paintings to ha, mga paintings. This is Jesus Christ when he was taken down from the cross. Same. This one is sinabuhay na siya. Resurrection. Ito naman I don't know bakit maraming mga ganto-ganto. Pero I think this is Mary Magdalene. Noli me tangere. Sabi niya, touch me now. There we go. This is the Doubting Thomas. Diba? This is Jesus Christ. Another painting of Jesus Christ. This one, no, very nice yung face. Diba? This one is John the Baptist. This one is Jesus Christ with Mary and Martha. Yung story nila is si Martha is very busy samantalang si Mary is listening. And then sinabihan niya na, Jesus, kindly utusan mo naman tong kapatid ko na tulungan ako. That's kailangan makinig ka. Kinig muna. And after which, may time naman na pwede kayong tumulong This one is Moises. I think this is more of a saint. I don't know who he is. Pero let's check sa likod. Oh, it's Saint Francis. Yeah. Ito naman, ito nagdadalawang isip ako na ipamimigay ko. Hindi This is Saint Jerome. Same with, katulad ng pangalan ko, but he's too old. Saint Jerome translated the Bible from Hebrew to Latin. There you go. Oh, I'm so old. Let's use this saint. Whoever saint is this one. Diba? Yun ang ng mga librarians sa patron saint. Oh, San Bartolome Esteban Murillo. Ay no, hindi pala. Siya yung painter. Pero Saint Francis siya. This one, Saint Bernadette, I'm sure. Let's see. Yeah. Ay, sorry naman. Santa Barbara sa Pilipinas, kapag kumikidlat, tatawagin mo si Santa Barbara. This is God the Father. I can tell because sa faith namin sa Foursquare, inaano nila na yung itong symbolism na to, yung cow, yung eagle, yung man at saka yung lion. Maibig sabihin yan, I forgot na. I don't know bakit bigla nagbe-blur tong ano ko. This is the Holy Trinity. Sa akin to! OMG! Yeah, I'm going to give it away. May stamp na nga siya kaya lang hindi ko pa alam kung kanino ko to ibibigay. Probably a thank you gift or whatever. Isa pa to, pamimigay ko rin to. Yeah, I decided to place everything here. Yung mga pamimigay ko, mga thank you. Another Japanese. This one, the LRT, yung Trambia sa Pilipinas before is na ano na siya, sa war, nasira, destroyed during the war. This one is Cebu City. Meron akong isang ganto na sinend ko sa sarili ko. This one is okay, baliktad siya, aparador. ng mga mayayaman. Ito is bahay ni who's this again? Apolinario Mabini. I also went here, pero someday. This one is Barosowin Church. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.